Hi there, in this video I will show you, or I will continue the conversation from the previous video where we passed multiple arguments, and now I want to show you, based on the number of arguments, whether 2 or 3 that you're passing, how we can efficiently process it. Okay, so what I'm doing is using the function for calculating the area of rectangle or the volume of rectangle. So what I'm saying is process rect and star args, right? So now it can accept, related to the rectangle, it can accept either 2 parameters. If it is accepting 2 parameters, it will calculate the area, and if it is accepting 3 parameters, then it should calculate the volume. So with that expectation, let's go ahead and take the output. So first thing is, we will get height is equals to, within the args, specify the where it is stored. Similarly, length is equals to, in arguments, it is stored at first position. So this is position number 1, this is the position number 2. Now let's go ahead and specify the conditions for the processing the rectangle. So what we are saying, that if length of args equals to 3, that means if 3 parameters are passed, then there should be a width parameter as part of the third parameter, and what we will do is we will calculate the volume. So let's return the height multiply with length multiply with width. So this is our volume, right? And then come to the else and simply return height multiply with length. Okay, so that's pretty much all what you need to process it efficiently. The 2 things I mainly wanted to show you is how you will accept the value of multiple arguments using the bracket notation, args0, args1 and all, and then you can use the function like len to calculate the length and see, based on the length of the argument, the different processing that you need to do for your variables. Alright, so with that, let's go ahead and let's press Ctrl Enter, and now let's pass the print process underscore rectangle 10, 20. So what it returns is 200. And let's say I want to pass 10, 20 and 5, then it is returning me 1000. So it's that's easy, that easy to basically calculate based on the different parameters that you are providing to your function. So you can basically utilize the way I mentioned over here and make conditional processing based on the multiple arguments that your user may want to pass.